In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. First, let's get into Gemini. Open your Gemini account in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main page. If you're new, follow the on-screen prompts to create an account and sign in. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date so everything loads smoothly. This helps avoid delays later on. Once you're in, look for the icon that opens different creation modes and choose Canvas. Canvas is a focused workspace designed for building structured content like presentations. It gives you a clean area where Gemini can lay out ideas in a way that's easy to scan, refine, and shape into slides. Selecting Canvas before you start ensures the AI's output is organized with clear sections that fit a slide-by-slide flow. Now, click into the prompt or search box at the bottom of the canvas. You're going to give Gemini a clear instruction. Type something along these lines. Generate an 8-slide presentation explaining the current issue and its effect on the whole world. Use an aesthetic design. Replace the current issue with the specific topic you care about. Maybe a recent policy change, a scientific development, or a market trend. Keeping the request to 8 slides helps the AI structure the content with an intro, a set of core points, and a concise conclusion. Asking for an aesthetic design tells Gemini to pay attention to visual clarity and a consistent style. Be specific where it matters. If you have a preferred tone or audience, you can add a short note such as "for a non-technical audience" or "keep it concise and informative." This doesn't add extra steps, it just sharpens the request so you get a better first draft. When you're ready, submit the prompt. Now wait patiently while Gemini thinks. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the topic, the draft should appear within a few moments. You'll see the content laid out section by section, which naturally maps to individual slides. Read through what it generates to confirm it matches your intent. If a point needs more depth or a simpler explanation, refine your wording and try again with a short follow-up prompt in the same canvas. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, selected Canvas, and entered a clear instruction to produce an 8-slide presentation with an aesthetic look. With a precise prompt and a bit of patience, you'll have well-structured material ready to shape into a polished PowerPoint deck.